Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I will be talking about something a little bit different because today I will give a sneak peek into OE Robot. So if you wondered about what is this in my ribbon, it's the OE Robot launcher. And what is OE Robot? OE Robot is a software, so to say, or more or less an Excel kind of plugin, but it's not technically a plugin. I think so. Developed from Eric Ohm. It is currently in public beta. I will also link the sign up page for public beta in the video description, and also link the OE Robot channel where you can see much more and especially educational videos about OE Robot. I don't think that I will do OE Robot education videos, but I will at least use it. And this is like the first video where I will technically use it and also show it what you can do with it. So OE Robot is a micro automation launcher, and fortunately I know Eric quite well, and also I had the opportunity to be one of the first beta testers as it was in private beta. So yeah, fortunately I can use it since a few months, but yeah. Today I will be showing you where it is, for example, super useful. And in this case, at the event in Las Vegas, Tim told me, oh, he has all his Lambdas that have a let in it. There is a last argument, which is called an output argument, because in the let statement you can output either a calculation or a name that is based on a calculation. And when you need to audit your Lambda or your let Lambda and there's let inside quite quickly, then it's better that you have something prepared that you can quickly. So I will show this to you, something about like this. So here, okay, this was a super bad example because in this case we don't have a let in it. But here, for example, this should have a let in it. Yeah. So here we have a let function. Yeah, it's a large function. So here we have our let statement, and we have multiple interim calculations. And then at the end, I imported or inputted this here in the meantime. We have like a result or an output. I named this res for result. But yeah, and when I then need to audit it quite quickly, for example, in esports example, then I can also put in here like the interim calculation steps, like in this case, arrow, array, or a, so my names here. Yeah, and normally what I had was like this case, that my last output was the calculation and not this like interim step here. And so I'm currently I am in the process of updating this for all lambdas I have. I filtered them for the occurrence of a let statement, and this is in 197 lambdas the case. And now what I could do is manually update this. So in this case, I want to update this for E returns area based on indirect cell reference. Then what without OE robot, so the traditional manual way would be like searching this lambda. Here it is at least alphabetically sort, put it in here. Then searching, this is the same for OE robot and not OE robot. Yeah, searching here where we have like our let statement, editing this, copying this, and then going into the name manager, searching again for this. And this is kind of also a little bit dangerous because I could easily put it into the wrong lambda, and then I would override the lambda and not knowing that it's like the wrong one, and then putting it back here in, got it, close, and I could do the next one. So I have also outed this. So with Ori Robot, this is faster. So in this case, I have all the Lambda names here. I click Control Shift O, edit Lambda. No, sorry. First I need to make it Lambda, sorry. Then Control Shift O, edit Lambda. Then I click, as I like the bow mode the first time, it's a little bit slow. Afterward, it will get faster. So Control Shift O, then bow mode, compact formula, and then here I think we are also let in indirect if. Okay, we are here with our statement. And then Control Shift O, save Lambda, and it's saved in the name manager at the appropriate place, and it's also safer because I can't override it there. So let's do this for the next one that you see in the second time using it, or robot it faster. Edit Lambda, Control Shift O, bow mode, so compact Lambda, and then edit this. Do I have here a let statement? Yeah, here is a let statement. Job. I think here this is the last argument. Yes. Control Shift O. Here. It's okay. Okay, I've clicked something wrong. Here we go. Okay, so you see Oreo Robot is faster and safer, and you can do a lot with it. I will post the links to the appropriate things there. Also, Dim has an esports video out where he solves the case with Oreo Robot, also quite impressive. So if you want to give it a try and support Eric there, become a beta tester, and then welcome to the club. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.